Hi friends, welcome back to channel Sai Tech. In today's video to give you the tips and tricks how to save the battery life in the OnePlus Nord 2 device. So I'm getting plenty of comments on the OnePlus Nord 2. Can you please explain how to save the battery in this phone? So with the recent update, which a lot of users ready to receive this kind of software update, as you can see friends. So few of the users are actually experiencing the battery draining happening in the OnePlus Nord 2 device. So I'll try to explain a few of the tips and tricks how you can actually save a little bit kind of battery life in this OnePlus Nord 2 instead of draining faster. So let's start with the first thing is that try to disable the scanning function which is available in the Wi-Fi option. So try to go to the Wi-Fi functionality, and once you turn on the Wi-Fi you'll get the option which is called the additional settings. As you can see, try to go to the additional settings, try to disable this option. As you can see, scanning always available. So this is the thing which it will automatically scan every time even when the Wi-Fi is turned off. As you can see, allowing the location services to certain apps to scan for networks even when the Wi-Fi is turned off. So try to disable this option first. That's one step you need to follow. And next step is try to go to the display. Under the display there is an option which is called the auto screen off. So try to select 15 seconds instead of selecting the few more seconds. Try to select the 15 seconds. So this means the screen will automatically get dim, so for every 15 seconds, and in this way you'll be able to save slightly battery life in case if you forget to lock the screen or anything. So this may even irritate some people because they will be using continuously. As you can see, meanwhile when you're trying to read something, the screen will automatically go dull. So I mean, when you're trying to read any kind of article or anything, every time you need to touch the screen. So that is the reason I did select only 10 minutes, not 30 minutes. So it depends upon the user as well. If you want to save battery, you can use that. And next is to obviously disable everything. So don't need to use those, and go to the more options, and you can select the high refresh rate if you want, or 60 Hz as well. If you try to select 60 Hz, maybe slightly the battery life will be impacted, but so I don't want to compromise on the refresh rate. Can you tell me any other things? I can definitely show you a few other tips as well. So let me go to the battery option, and in the battery segment there's a section called which is a more battery settings. As you can see, that's interesting. So in the more battery settings there's an option which shows sleep standby optimization. As you can see, so try to enable the sleep standby optimization. So whenever your phone consumes less power and reduces notification when you are asleep, as you can see, this is what it means. So try to enable that functionality first. So once after that, there is another extra benefits as well, which shows optimized battery usage. As you can see friends, so automatically optimize the apps that are training in the background. So now try to click on this function, and this will demonstrate all the applications what are installed in this device, in the OnePlus Nord 2 device. So for example, if you see few of the applications which are consuming a lot of battery, so what you need to do is you need to click on that application. For example, maybe Asphalt 9. Try to click on auto optimize. So this will automatically optimize the performance and the battery life of this particular game or any kind of applications. In this way, another thing, you can actually optimize the battery usage as well. This is one thing you should definitely remember. So in my case, I'm not going to use any kind of optimization for the game. So that is the reason I did select do not optimize. So in case if you don't want to optimize anything, that's the one advantage whether you can actually have in this OnePlus Nord 2 device. And next is that if you try to go to the additional settings, and here you can actually find the option which is a RAM boost. So you can even disable this functionality as well, which is a RAM boost. As you can see, this may also increase slightly, performance will be increased, but even with the performance, even the battery will also get slightly drained. As you can see, this will definitely speed up, but the battery also will consume a little bit more. So try to disable even the RAM boost as well. So if you follow this kind of tips and tricks techniques in this OnePlus Nord 2 device, so definitely you cannot see much kind of battery draining happening in this device overall. So let me know in the comment section below friends, what is your favorite feature about this OnePlus Nord 2 in terms of saving the battery life. If I miss any kind of other techniques, let me know in the comment section. I'll try to cover those kind of topics in another video for you all. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.